Welcome to my channel. My name is Pratibha Nalla. Today I'm going to show you how to create a simple and a basic ponytail. I'm going to show you two variations. So just enjoy this video and keep learning. Hello everybody. So today we're going to talk about ponytails. I'm going to show you how to do elegant ponytails with ease. I'm going to show you two variations on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just comb the hair to the point where I want my ponytail to be. Now ideally, if you look at the hair, actually the volume of the hair is too low. So whenever you work on somebody who has less volume in their hair, so you can take that together and making sure that there are no loops in the hair. So that's why first I'm gonna start combing with a paddle brush. So once you comb with the paddle brush, later you can switch. Once you have a cleaner surface where you can see that all your hair is towards one point, I'm just gonna take a tail comb and I'm gonna make it smooth and nicer so that it looks neater. So I'm just going to nicely comb it. So over here I'm going to use spray. So I'm just using a spray and I'm going to just spray it generously on the top of the head with the tail comb. I'm just going to brush it smooth. I'm just going to use the tip of the tail comb so that all the baby hair is going towards the ponytail. So whenever you feel the smoothness is not there or your baby hair is sticking out, you can simply use spray and with very smooth hands start taking hair towards the ponytail. Now while doing ponytail, it is very important that you need to ask your client to look straight, and that's how you'll get the center point of for the ponytail. Now because if a client is looking tilted, so it could be a possibility that your ponytail would not be in the center. It may get tilted, it may move to the sidewards. So it's important for you to inform your client. Now after this I'm going to use a bungee like this to secure my ponytail. Now here if you look at the pin, so I'm just going to push that in. I'm going to hold it with my finger and then I'll secure it. It's important that we push the pin towards the downside, because that way the gravity will pull the pin. If you look at this, the gravity will pull the pin down, so your ponytail will be well secured and it will stay the same way for a very long time. Now as you see, I still see there are certain baby hair. You see these lines over here. I just want them to be very smooth. I don't want anything upside down. So I'm just gonna spray the hair, and as you look at this comb, I'm gonna use this board bristles, and just with the tip of the comb I'm just gonna push it in. This way you will be able to secure your baby hair in the front. So now once your ponytail is done and you want to make it look very sleek, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a stole, a cotton stole. I'm just gonna take it till the forehead and I'm gonna tie this now. With this, what would happen is you have to tie it tightly and you're gonna leave it for 5-10 minutes. With this, what would happen is, if you look at this, see, I've taken it, I've tied it like this. What would happen is the loops will be smoother and you will see it is sleek and it looks very chic when you open this. So that's why we will tie the cotton stole, or if you have a cotton dupatta, you can do that. Okay, so now let's start the second variation in ponytails. Now this kind of a technique you can use when you are working on somebody who has got heavy density of hair. So somebody who has got thick hair, the volume is too high. At that point of time, you can divide the volume in two parts. So now as you see, I have taken an ear to ear partition and I have given this high ponytail. Lot of times I have seen lot of hairstylists face lot of issues while making high ponytail with a heavy volume hair. So it's important that you divide the volume and accordingly you can work. So first thing what I've done is, like the previous bit, I have divided the hair and I have created a high ponytail with the same bungee, the one that we used in the normal ponytail before. Now what I'm going to do is, the partition that I have made here, I'm going to just attach the same hair, this hair, with the same ponytail. So I've used the same bungee, the one that I have shown you in the previous one, and I've secured this ponytail with that. So now let's talk about this. So I'm gonna just take all the hair with the tail comb and I'm gonna comb this towards this ponytail. I'm gonna hold it here and I'm gonna comb this towards the ponytail. Now it's important that you take the hair towards the ponytail. It's very important. Now as you see, now because I have taken a ear to ear partition, do you see that when I take this hair into the ponytail, that partition is nicely covered and it shows that flawless merging into each other. This is what we want when we are creating when we are using such technique in creating the ponytail. So this way you get a nicer ponytail. So now as you see, I have got this merged into each other. So like anybody can't make out there was a partition below this. So I'm just gonna take it together and I've got all the hair to the same ponytail that we've made, and I'm going to use a bungee like this. Now you have an option to use a same bungee which is made up of the bobby pins. Now what happens is, when you put 4 bobby pins over here, it could be a possibility for people who have sensitive scalp. It may hurt them. So I would recommend, if possible, you can use a bungee like this, which is available with Iconic. So you can use a bungee like this. It's easier to use, and I'm just gonna plug it in. One sec. Done. So now once we are done with the ponytail, what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna put again the same way. I'm gonna tie this because I need a very sleek hairstyle. I'm just gonna tie this nicely. So that whatever loops that we don't have all in one place. Like, you will see a lot of imbalance in the texture. So that's why, just to smoothen it out, I'm using this cotton dupatta, which will help me to get a very neatened look. So you can keep this way for 5 to 10 minutes, or maybe, like, sometimes once you tie this up, if you just want to go ask your client to go and dress up, by the time they dress up, it's like 10-15 minutes more, and then you can slowly remove this, which will give you nice and sleek look. As you see here, it gives you nice smooth texture without any like disruption, and also, like, you will not see any rough patches, so it gives you very smooth finish. Now once the ponytail is done, what I'm gonna do is, I'm just gonna take a hair from below, a little hair, and I'm gonna cover the edges of my bungees here, and I'm gonna secure it with a bobby pin. So here you go. Products that we have used in this tutorial are listed in the description. Please go and check the description. We've also mentioned the link where you can purchase those products. So you can click on those links and you can purchase the products that you wish. Thank you for watching our video. If you enjoyed our video, please like and share it, and also leave comment in the comment section. Please subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon to get notifications. Thank you.